Bauxite residue, also known as red mud, is a byproduct generated during the extraction of aluminum oxide, from bauxite ore using the Baer process. Some steel plants use red mud to make briquettes, and use those briquettes in converter as dephosphorization agent. In this process, perfectly solved the problem of recycling of bauxite residue. The common standard of this briquettes is green briquettes falling from 1.5 meters without breaking, and dry briquettes need to resist 500 N. Red mud cold press briquettes emerge as a game changer in the steelmaking landscape, particularly in converter operations. Red mud cold press briquettes epitomize cost-effectiveness, offering a compelling alternative to traditional dephosphorization methods. By leveraging economical binder formulations and streamlined production processes, these briquettes provide significant cost savings without compromising on performance or quality. These briquettes minimize environmental impact while maximizing operational efficiency, aligning with the principles of sustainable steelmaking. Jianjie Binder can meet the briquettes requirement with low dosage and cost. If you have some problem on bauxite residue treatment, feel free to ask.